Hey guys, welcome back to Scrummy recipes. Today we are making brownies and that too in a frying pan. That's right, you don't need an oven, you don't need a cake tin, all you need is a frying pan. So let's get started. For this recipe, take a frying pan. You can use any frying pan that you have at your home, ceramic, non-stick, whatever. Just make sure it has a thick bottom. Heat the pan and to this let's add 150 grams of butter. I am using salted butter over here. If you are using unsalted butter, just add a little bit of salt to the brownie. Gently stir and let's melt the butter on low flame. Okay, so our butter is fully melted, so let's turn off the heat and add 3/4 cup of sugar. Using a silicone whisk, let's mix the sugar and butter together. Let's combine them together. Keep mixing for about 2 to 3 minutes. This process is important so that we can reduce the temperature of the butter. Okay, so make sure the butter is not too hot and then we'll gently add 2 eggs to the mixture. Add 1 egg at a time while thoroughly whisking the mixture. This will prevent the egg from frying. Now add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, 1/4 cup of milk, and let's mix all the wet ingredients together. Now add 2/3 cup of cocoa powder, 1 cup of flour, mix everything until you form a lump-free batter. You can sift the cocoa powder and flour before adding into the wet ingredients. This will help the batter to be lump-free. Our brownie batter is now ready. You can see that how smooth and nice it looks. You have no idea how good this smells right now, and it looks so good that you want to eat it right away, but you cannot because there are raw eggs in it. Now add half cup of chocolate chips to the batter. If you do not have chocolate chips, use regular chocolate. Just chop up some regular chocolate and you can add that to the batter. If you're not planning to add any chocolates, then add some more sugar to the batter. Give everything a good mix. Using a spatula, let's clean the sides of the pan. You can also use a tissue to clean the sides of the pan. Turn on the heat and cover the frying pan with a lid. Let's cook the brownie on low flame for 12 to 15 minutes. Do make sure that you're cooking the brownie on low flame, otherwise the brownie will burn. If you want your brownie to have a gooey texture, then cook less than 12 minutes. If you want the brownie to have a fudgy texture, then 12 to 15 minutes will do. Alright, so it took nearly 15 minutes on my stove to cook the brownies. You can see that the brownie is now nice and cooked. Okay, so let's do a toothpick test to check whether our brownie has fully cooked. Okay, so our toothpick comes out clean. That means our brownie is cooked. You needn't worry about the water vapors on top of the brownie. It will get dried up. And since we used a non-stick pan, we can easily remove the brownie from the pan using a spatula. I want to serve the brownie in the frying pan itself. So I have waited for the brownie to cool and I'm going to decorate it with some icing sugar. And using a non-stick spatula, I am going to cut and serve the brownies. There we go, our super delicious fudgy brownie. And you're making them in a frying pan. So easy to make. Do try them out, guys, and share a pic with us. Hope you guys liked our video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel and also follow us on Instagram. I'll see you guys again with another Scrummy recipe. Until then, bye bye.